If you're looking for meaningful work with good pay in a growing career field, Milwaukee Area Technical College wants to help you make that desire a reality. Our Building Automated Systems program and Facilities Maintenance Technician Apprenticeship will get you trained and plugged into a career in the field of building controls and facilities maintenance. In those jobs, you'll manage systems that control buildings' use of lighting, energy, security, water, heating, cooling, and more. It's a field that's really growing as more companies seek to use less energy and reduce their carbon footprint. You can learn more and find out if it's the right career for you at one of our free workshops. You'll learn the basics of building systems and controls, find out what these jobs are like, and find out how MATC can help you get started on that career path. We'll also tell you about MATC's scholarship opportunities. Scholarships that pay for tuition, books, tools, even transportation, food, and childcare. If you're still not sure, just listen to what a recent workshop participant had to say.
It was hands-on. It made me really figure out what I want to do in my career. It'd be a great opportunity for you to start your career and know where you want to go in life.
Register today. Click the link in the description below to sign up for one of our upcoming workshops. Then mark it down in your calendar, and I'll look forward to helping you get connected to a life-transforming career.